By the time I went to US, I knew exactly that I have to finish this degree and get back to India fast immediately. Okay. So जहाँ पे लोग 2 ढाई 3 साल लगाते हैं MS कंप्लीट करने के लिए और रिसर्च ऑप्शंस में, so I did it exactly in 1.5 years actually. And then the day I defended my thesis, the return flight to India was booked for the next day actually. मैं वहाँ पे कैंपस में बैठा ही नहीं actually.
Because when
So
we went through your profile, na sir, it was like a totally shocking for us. Like you are working on with three startups right now as a CTO, and then it was like you already did one startup earlier which was like now shut down, but you already worked on four startups. So that's a great achievement, and that's a very difficult job because you are doing it simultaneously, all working on all three startups.
right. So we've tried to keep evolving actually. आज से 16 साल पहले जो किया था, it is not valid and practical today, right? So we have to constantly evolve, adapt. तो वो नहीं
Right.
करेंगे तो फिर खत्म हो जाएंगे एक्चुअली. तो trying our
Right, sir.
best.
So
So
सो सर लाइक आप जैसे नमन ने बोला that you have worked on multiple startups and
right,
as a co-founder plus CTO. तो और उनमें से कई स्टार्टअप्स को तो अवार्ड्स वगैरह भी मिले हैं लाइक फ्रॉम डेलॉयट एंड एनजीटीसी. तो
right.
ऑन ऑन द वेरी सीरियस नोट सर, तो कितने बंगले और गाड़ी हैं आपके पास राइट नाउ?
तो उसका मैं आंसर दूंगा एक्चुअली. आई विल कम टू दैट एक्चुअली.
before starting, एक बार can you tell us about your journey, your experiences, right, uh, beginning from AIT? Like how we know that, but we want our viewers to know about that. We have already learned it from LinkedIn, but I know like there are a lot more than what is been on LinkedIn. So it would be great if you can share.
Like where do you want me to start actually? From the college days?
Yeah, so like we just want you to go like how did you like came out of AIT, and what was your aim right then when you came out of AIT? Because what I can see is ki, uh, it must be not because you did MS after that, after coming out from AIT. So
Right,
it wouldn't be like I want to be an entrepreneur. So it was not at all decided. So what
right, true.
was your at that moment? What was your aim?
So when I graduated from AIT, it's been like 21 years now. You know? So like anybody of that age, 21 years में, तो our basic motto is to get a job actually, है ना? Which we did, है ना? So
Right.
now the placement scene is very good actually. जो मैं मनोज क्लाउड का अपडेट देखता रहता हूँ बीच बीच में लिंक्डइन पे, तो काफी अच्छा सीन है अभी. तो हमारे टाइम पे ऐसा नहीं था एक्चुअली. इट वाज इन माय campus days only. I think 4 or 5 companies came actually. ठीक है. So I think we got lucky. My second placement drive में I got placed actually, and decided to join actually Tata Technologies India Limited back then. So it was part of Tata Motors actually. तो ईयर के स्टार्ट में लग गया था. एंड देन यू नो दैट प्रेशर गोज ऑफ फ्रॉम योर हेड, राइट? अगर किसी की अगस्त में जॉब लगती है और किसी की मार्च में लगती है, तो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस, राइट? तो हाउ यू एंजॉय दैट नेक्स्ट 1 year, इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हेन यू सिक्योर दैट कैंपस प्लेसमेंट. So I was taking it easy because I knew that job was there in my hand actually, and there was no option to sit in a next campus placement. So after I think the college got over, it was around then that Infosys came out actually with their open walk-in, open campus actually, and then I just applied to it actually, and then I think it worked out, and then I got selected, and that's how I landed at Infosys. So after college, okay. But then, frankly, I'll tell you, I never planned to be an entrepreneur when I came out of college. Okay, so I think the seed of that probably thinking, I would say, got implanted in my first year at Infosys actually, because there were two main reasons for that. One, my roommate, he had that idea that he wanted to do something. He didn't know what he will do actually, but then obviously, like any other business, a software business, it demands a lot of your brain power, right? So somebody could be good at technical, somebody could be good at operations, somebody could be good at sales and marketing. but when you combine all these three skill set, right, then you become a formidable team, right? So it's something that each one complements the other skill set. Okay, so my roommates happen to have that skill set. Okay, and that is where I actually fit in. And drawing board पे हम लोग logo बनाते थे, and then when you think of a name and all that, so it inspires, right? You at least get into that creative thinking कि मैं ये करूँगा. And the power of thinking is that कि अगर आप किसी चीज में सोचते हो ना कि मैं ये करने वाला हूँ, it happens actually, है ना? Simultaneously, another thing that happened around that time was that couple of my roommates from AIT engineering days, they joined startups actually, like small startups, 30, 40 people company. And I used to see, whenever we used to meet in the weekend, I used to see how happy they were working on cutting edge work, and then how happy they were to slog long hours in college, in company, learning those technologies and improving their skill set. जो Infosys में नहीं होता था actually. ठीक है, Infosys is like a government job actually. You get into a company like that and then you're set, right? So 9 to 5, ठीक है, punch in करो, punch out करो. In between, if you happen to be lucky, you'll get placed in a project. Otherwise, at least 1 year, 1.5 years, you'll be on bench, right? So unfortunately or fortunately, I was on a considerable duration of that time on a bench. Okay, so that gave me time to think about it. Okay, so for one, I realized that I didn't want to be in that comfort zone. Okay, and I saw my roommates up close having a very fulfilled fulfillment out of their work actually. So I realized that uh, see, one thing I realized is coming from army background, we never ran for money. Okay, so your question, Amit, where you asked me how many bungalows or cars I have actually, I never aspired to have any of that actually. That was never the aspiration. In fact, I think आज मैं ये बोल सकता हूँ कि there was no peer comparison also actually. मेरी सैलरी कितनी है, दूसरे की कितनी सैलरी है. मतलब in my 4 years of working life, where I worked at Infosys and I worked at Saskin, the closest of my friends, I never knew their salaries actually, not that they know my salary. The only reason was that we didn't hide it, but because we never discussed it actually. It never came to us naturally to ask about salary or savings or anything actually, right? So क्या होता है ना, when you are in that environment where you're not driven by money, you basically go after creativity, right? It could be, you can find creativity in a lot of spaces, like it could be a job also, it could be entrepreneurship, or it could be actual creative work where you do sketching and all that, right? So creativity का कोई field नहीं होता actually. It is all in your brain where you want to do it, in what field you want to do it. Okay. So because of that, uh, after living with a roommate like that, okay, for about 2 years, that idea rubbed onto me actually. That I knew that I want to do something like that. Okay. And in order to equip myself to be able to do that entrepreneurship very well, I think it's about time to upgrade my educational skills. Okay, so that is when I applied for various colleges and I got through Louisiana State University, and that was like after working for 3.5 years. Okay, and I'll tell you one thing: getting a higher education degree after working for 3.5 years is very difficult because you get used to that paycheck actually, right? Paycheck is like a cocaine. Every month you get addicted to it, right? एक तारीख हुई और salary आ गई, है ना? तो एक vicious cycle बन जाता है. आपके expenses, your aspirations, everything comes together, and then it is very difficult to break out of that actually. ठीक है? In fact, uh, in that 3.5 years actually, I left Infosys also after 2 years, and for 1.5 years I worked at Sasken. But you'll be surprised when I made the switch from Infosys to Sasken, I didn't do it for salary because I wanted to learn and not sit on bench actually. So my job shift from Infosys to in Saskin actually happened at a lower salary. Okay, so I was not chasing money ever actually. A lot of factors actually. Parents, see, we are gifted actually. I'll tell you. Coming from army background, our parents are taken care of by army, even in their old age, right? तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि हमारे fraternity में you will find parents dependent on their children, right? So that gives you a lot of freedom to experiment with your time actually, right? You're not bound to, a lot of responsibilities come हो जाती हैं actually, है ना? So with that 1.5 years of spent time that I spent at Saskin, I got in touch with a lot of intelligent people. Okay, so a lot of my colleagues were from IIT and IIT and all that, right? So I basically got used to the idea of working in a research field because of that. And that is when I simultaneously decided to pursue MS, and then went with MS in a thesis option actually. And by the time I went to US, I knew exactly that I have to finish this degree and get back to India fast immediately. Okay. So जहाँ पे लोग 2 ढाई 3 साल लगाते हैं MS कंप्लीट करने के लिए और रिसर्च ऑप्शंस में, so I did it exactly in 1.5 years actually. And then the day I defended my thesis, the return flight to India was booked for the next day actually. मैं वहाँ पे कैंपस में बैठा ही नहीं actually. लॉट ऑफ माई क्लासमेट्स हुआ, क्योंकि लोग क्या करते हैं यूएस जाते हैं 1 वे टिकट में, कभी आने का सोचते ही नहीं एक्चुअली, ठीक है ना. तो पीपल वुड नॉट बिलीव कि दैट आई विल कम बैक टू इंडिया, राइट. But only when they realized towards the end of my MS that this guy is seriously talking about going back to India, and when I did it actually, I think people, I don't know, like, it just worked out actually because I came to Indore, okay, and Indore being a small place, the distractions were less. Distractions in the terms of एक peer pressure होता है ना कि उसने ये किया, मैंने शर्मा जी के बेटे ने क्या किया, समथिंग लाइक दैट, राइट. तो वो peer pressure था नहीं मेरे को, है ना. एंड I Indore was a small city, ठीक है. तो travel, commute and cost of living, cost of expenses for operations also was less actually. जो rental मेरे को पुणे या बैंगलोर में देना पड़ता ऑफिस में इसके लिए, it would have at least been 50% less than those cities. Attrition was less actually, so we could start our operation and concentrate on creating something rather than worrying about operational aspects of that business actually. Yeah. And the reason I came to Indore is because one of my roommates with whom I decided to start this, roommate, when I say roommate, not from AIT but from Infosys days actually. So he happened to be from Indore. Okay, so he was comfortable doing it in Indore, and we said, okay, let's do it actually, because इंदौर आने से पहले मेरे को ये पता भी नहीं था कि इंदौर कहाँ पे एक्चुअली, ठीक है, फ्रैंकली. तो इंदौर आया मैं एक्चुअली, एंड देन we we got we had 3 partners in the business actually. So 2 of us came from Bangalore. I went to US and he came from US. The other person, he was in Bangalore working for Infosys for all those 3.5 4 years, and he left Infosys and came to Indore. The तीसरा बंदा था, he was in US for about 7 to 8 years while we were running the operations from offshore, and he was running the operation from US. And yes, that is how we began in 2003. And the journey has been fulfilling, right? So uh, if you love something that you want to do from your heart, I think money, gaadi, bangla, ये सब side effect होते हैं उसके, it will happen. It is just a matter of time, ठीक है. The more you get distracted with peer pressure and comparisons, the more heartburn you will have, and it will lead to not being able to concentrate properly on the business actually. And that is where being in Indore helped us a lot actually. And yeah, so 3 of us complemented the skills, and then we ran the business, and been running the business for last 16 years. इस 16 years में मैंने बहुत कुछ किया actually, right? तो uh, apart from doing software development, we also did some e-commerce venture. We also did a niche BPO service offering for recruiters, and then we did a lot of mobile development. We did a lot of we recently started doing Salesforce consulting as well. And yeah, over the years it has been fulfilling. As I said, adaptation has been the key. So जो 2003-4 में हमने start किया था, we changed track in 2007-8. We started doing a lot of mobile space development. And then about 2012-13, we also tried leveraging some of our experiences developing e-commerce venture websites for others to launch a business for ourselves. We did that for about 3 years before we realized, ठीक है, I think ये हमारे time के लिए worth नहीं है actually. We did not make losses, but I think the decision was made purely on the fact that if we spend this time more on our regular software development, we'll probably gain more benefits there. And then 2018 time frame, we revamped ourselves again. We started doing a lot of Salesforce development. So our Salesforce practice is about 3.5 years old actually. So along the journey, you will see my role in different companies at different point in time. But those are basically your go-to-market names for each of these services that we have embraced along the journey. So IdeaWeight Solutions still remains the parent company, and from there we actually started a brand name called Mobile Pandit. and that still is a go-to-market strategy for our mobile and IoT kind of projects actually. And then 2018 we started a brand name called Cloud Chilies. Under that brand name we do a lot of CRM and Salesforce development work. And अब जो है it's not reflected there, but then about 6 months ago, we started a business called Mind Ruby. It is basically, it's more of I would say operational change that we brought in. So this year we actually got space allocation in ITSEZ in Indore. So we'll be moving our business into ITSEZ. So for that matter, we decided to restart a new business in the ITSEZ space, completely separated from our Ideaway entity. Right? So that's how it is actually. So along the
So
way, the awards happened, and few products that we developed that also happened actually. So then I think two product development, one e-commerce venture, one recruitment process outsourcing business, and then obviously like continuous adaptation in our main software line of business actually. Right. So that's where
so
we are.
sir, what I can see here is like you were very focused towards your goals. So like you planned things and it went accordingly. Like you planned, like you will go to do MS in US and then come
Right.
back immediately back to India and start your own venture. And
Absolutely.
slowly and rapidly, like you went on getting more customers and improving your business and getting more and more like into business, and you started simultaneously various startups, right?
Can you rephrase the last statement?
Yeah,
So
so you simultaneously you started various startups, like after starting Ideaway. So you started
right.
so
So
what
see,
were the things? Yeah.
what was the
So what were the like in that process, in that whole process, what were the things? There must be some obstacles also you might have faced, because this whole process looks so smooth when you are telling this to us. So I know, because this is not always that smooth. So there must be some obstacles and there must be some, because it all looks so planned and all looks so easy. So
right?
was it so easy and you made it easy and your experience made it easy?
See, I don't know. I think when I started, actually, I was just 26 years old, right? तो हमारे पास ज़्यादा experience नहीं था actually to derive from that actually experience, right? So, and I would probably say that, as I said, I mean, I never planned to be an entrepreneur, right? तो मैं accidental entrepreneur हूँ. I just happened to have a right roommate at the right point in time, and फिर वहाँ से क्या directions बन जाती हैं actually, ठीक है? But somewhere मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था actually, and it resonates very well in my case actually. You're sum total of the 5 people that you are in friendship with at any point in time. तो आप जो है आप कैसे हो और कहाँ पर हो, है ना? और आप क्या सोचते हो वो डिपेंड करता है आपके 5 फ्रेंड्स पे, right? So I got into good company actually. So I was not the smartest guy in the room actually all the time. Okay, so it's good to be not to be the smartest guy in the room. And once we started the business actually, तो जैसे जैसे problems आते थे, and we figured out, I think somewhere मुझे लगता है कुछ inherent होता है, कुछ gut feeling होती है, कहीं पे गलत भी होता है actually, ऐसा नहीं बोलूँगा मैं actually. तो tough times भी आए हैं actually, right? And क्या कहते हैं, all that we have been able to achieve has not been easy to achieve also, because getting a client and executing project and keeping them happy, and happy to an extent that they become referenceable clients, is part of a challenge actually, right?
Right.
Especially in the services business that we have been in, right? So it is a it's a it's a continuous problem to solve, right? So टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज हो जाती है, राइट? टीम चेंज हो जाती है ना? नेचर ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट चेंज हो जाते हैं, राइट? बट ह्यूमन सेंटिमेंट्स वही रहते हैं एक्चुअली, राइट? तो all through, I think all my 3 founders actually, we were very centric to emotions and feeling what people might feel about our work, or how people might want to feel when they work for us actually, right? So because of that, I think somewhere we've we've been able to do a lot of it because of the support of people around us actually, right? So challenges फेस किए हैं तो हम तीनों ने नहीं फेस किए, पूरी कंपनी ने फेस किए एक्चुअली, राइट? उसमें से सारे लोग सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं, बट ऑल यू नीड इज लाइक few people apart from your vision, somebody else to assist you, right? So you need a team actually which will help you and support you through that actually, है ना? तो अभी जो कोविड का टाइम चल रहा है, it has been tough, no doubt about it actually, right? Entire industry is really under this pains. But ऐसे ही एक 2008-9 में भी हुआ था actually, about आज से 12 years पहले. तब वो great recession इतना नहीं था actually. It was a financial mortgage issue actually. तो mortgaging industry की वजह से financial पूरा नीचे आ गया था actually. So back then we had a couple of clients. One of them was a large client and क्या बोलते हैं ना, well-paying client in finance domain. So जब when that client actually had a turbulent time, so we lost money and we lost a lot of billing actually, as I said, and then stability भी affect आता है actually, right? But we certainly pulled it through actually. So आज तक I would say that we haven't laid off people ever actually, right? So somehow we've been able to manage by keeping a constant attention on the cost structure of the company, right? So जितना हम support कर सकते हैं उतना ही grow करेंगे. That has been our motto actually. Because of that, we are a zero debt company actually, no liabilities. Okay, both at a professional level and as well as personal level, right? And that I think being debt free is a great state of mind actually. You know? So that has helped a lot actually.
स्टार्टअप बिल्डिंग में आपके हिसाब से सबसे मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है? लाइक टीम इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट और लाइक द मेन आइडिया और प्रोडक्ट, इफ यू कैन रैंक देम इन.
See, in my opinion, I think the product idea takes precedence over the team actually, but that doesn't mean कि you can do well without a great team as well, right? तो अगर टीम अच्छी नहीं है तो वो अच्छा आइडिया एग्जीक्यूट नहीं कर पाओगे एक्चुअली. ठीक है, आइडिया अच्छा होगा बट देन यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू एग्जीक्यूट इट, राइट? तो कंपनी के साथ में या फिर आइडिया के साथ में एक चीज है एक्चुअली, लोग आएंगे लोग जाएंगे एक्चुअली, राइट? द कंपनी विल कंटिन्यू, राइट? मैं भी डिस्पेंसेबल हूँ टू अ लार्ज एक्सटेंट इन द कंपनी, राइट? इफ यू कैन क्रिएट दैट कल्चर, your idea, your company will continue to thrive actually. So you should not concentrate the responsibilities in one quarter, right? Or in one person or a group of person. You should actually delegate it. And when, as leaders in the company, when you actually, like I'm talking about both of you actually, so when you have more people associating themselves with you, you should enable them actually. So जो micromanagement है वो कभी नहीं करना चाहिए, right? And you should have faith in their responsibility taking abilities. ठीक है, गलती करो, गलती करनी चाहिए एक्चुअली, बट गलती रिपीट नहीं आनी चाहिए एक्चुअली, राइट? तो एक गलती एक बार और रिपीट कर सकते हो, बट उसके बियॉन्ड जो है, आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज a wise decision to continue staying with that kind of team member. So make mistakes but don't repeat the mistakes actually, right? So that is what तो मेरे साथ जो पर्सनली जो प्रोजेक्ट में काम करते हैं, एंड आई टेल देम वेरी क्लियरली कि मैं एक गलती, दो गलती, तीन गलती अगर रिपीटेटिव नेचर में मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा, बट फोर्थ गलती यू बी प्रिपेयर्ड टू क्या कहते हैं, क्लियर माय माइंड कंप्लीटली इन दैट केस एक्चुअली. तो लोग काफी बोलते हैं कि मैं थोड़ा शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड हूँ ऐसा वैसा, बट ठीक है, इट्स ओके. बट दे आल्सो नो दैट एट द सेम टाइम व्हेन आई एम नॉट looking at work, I think I give them enough freedom to be creative in their end actually, right? So
सर लाइक
आज जैसे वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहा हूँ मैं एक्चुअली,
गलती
बट
करना भाई,
क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
अमित देख के गलती करना यार.
आज जैसे कोविड के केस में हम लोग वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं, हमने आज तक कभी वर्क फ्रॉम होम नहीं किया था एक्चुअली. तो with 130 people going work from home, I think it 3 days notice, it was a challenge for us to execute. वो हमने किया किसी तरीके से, बट मैंने अभी तक इतने 2-2.5 महीने में मैंने माइक्रो मैनेज किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट में नहीं किया एक्चुअली. तो मैं किसी प्रोजेक्ट का स्टेटस रिपोर्ट लेता नहीं हूँ एक्चुअली, ना मैं उनकी डेली स्क्रम मीटिंग्स में पार्टिसिपेट करता हूँ एक्चुअली. मैं उनको बोलता हूँ कि अभी भी जरूरत है तो आई विल बी अवेलेबल ऑल द टाइम एक्चुअली. ओके, आई एम एट जस्ट अ कॉल अवे, राइट? अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट मेरे पास जो टाइम है आई यूज इट फॉर माय क्रिएटिव लर्निंग एक्चुअली. तो आज भी मैं लर्निंग करता हूँ. तो क्या कहते हैं, अगर इफ यू आर डूइंग सेल्सफोर्स टुडे, तो I cannot expect my team to listen to me unless I know that platform well actually myself, right? So I take courses on Salesforce. वहाँ पे उनका Trailhead करके एक portal actually. So I've been collecting badges actually. So in my spare time, I try to make sure that I learn something actually. So,
Yeah, so do you still code, sir?
no, yeah, I think I'm beyond that. And frankly, I think कंपनी स्टार्ट करने के 3 साल तक मैंने कोडिंग किया एक्चुअली. बट फिर उसके बाद में क्या है कि talking about creativity, right? Then I enjoyed giving solutions actually. So coding was pulling me down actually. मैं जितना तेज सोच सकता हूँ उतना तेज कोड नहीं कर सकता हूँ actually, right? So then you basically help people out. कोई problem होती है तो then they'll come to you. The best learning you will actually get from problems, okay? So when people come to you with a problem, you pay attention to that actually. Don't ask them to go to Google and figure out, because they would have done that anyways, right? If they've come to you, that is an opportunity for you to learn actually.
So you don't support Stack Overflow in your company, right?
नहीं, we do that actually, ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
लाइक यू सेड कि सर आपने आप पासिंग आउट आपने इन्फोसिस में काम किया एंड एट द सेम टाइम आपके जो फ्रेंड्स थे उन्होंने स्टार्टअप में काम किया एंड यू फाइंड देम मच गेटिंग मच एक्सपीरियंस इन न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज और उनको एक्सपोजर भी ज़्यादा मिल रहा था. बट करेंटली क्या होता है सारे कॉलेजेस में मेनली कि स्टूडेंट्स जो होते हैं आफ्टर पासिंग आउट दे स्टार्टेड रनिंग बिहाइंड सीटीसी एंड बिग बिग कंपनीज एमएनसीज एंड ऑल. सो आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या डिफरेंस उनके लाइफ में आ सकता है वर्किंग एट अ स्टार्टअप वर्सेस वर्किंग एट अ लार्जर कंपनी गिवन द करंट सिनेरियो एंड आल्सो डैमेज हो सकता है उनके करियर को if they work at a larger company.
उसका जो working at a larger company, right? And that may or may not have consequences. But मेरे केस में and to a large extent I think आज के जो freshers जो joining करते हैं जैसे TCS या Infosys या बड़ी कंपनी ब्रांड लेवल पे, उसका कोलेटरल डैमेज ज़्यादा हो सकता है एक्चुअली. एंड इसमें कोलेटरल क्या होता है? आपका टाइम सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है. आपका टाइम एक्चुअली, ठीक है. जो टाइम आप लूज करो वो कभी नहीं ले सकते एक्चुअली, वापस कभी नहीं आएगा. तो जो टाइम आप किसी प्रोजेक्ट पे एग्जीक्यूट नहीं कर रहे हो, वो टाइम जिस पे आप जहाँ आप चैलेंज नहीं सॉल्व कर रहे हो, राइट, दैट टाइम इज गेटिंग लॉस्ट इन लर्निंग न्यू ट्रिक्स एंड टेक्निक्स. तो छोटी कंपनीज के पास रिसोर्स होते नहीं है कम, ठीक है. सो व्हेन दे आर हायरिंग फॉर अ फ्रेशर आल्सो, दे नो प्रीटी मच कि मुझे 3 मंथ्स के अंदर इसको ट्रेन करना है, डिप्लॉय करने के लिए पोजीशन में रहना चाहिए इसको, ठीक है. वहाँ पे बेंच की लग्जरी कम रहती है एक्चुअली. तो जो स्मॉल कंपनीज में यू एंड अप बीइंग you work in an environment where people multitask, okay, and then exposure to multiple technologies is also there actually, right? And the mindset is basically to solve the problems actually. Whereas जो बड़ी companies होती हैं, it gets more bureaucratic, so they will have like 6 months of training, right? And then they'll grade you on the training program. अगर नहीं हुआ pass, so then you go back to the classroom again. मतलब frankly, I had 3 months of training at Infosys, okay, और मैं बता रहा हूँ कि it was probably worse than our AIT days also. So there was a classroom. I had to go through a particular coursework in 1 week's time, face an exam, and next week another coursework. So for 12 weeks, we went through this day in day out actually. Okay. So it was more like a capsule program. मतलब pipe के इस end पे डाल दिया, and then you pass through the pipeline, and on the other end they know कि this guy actually has exposure to this many technology, and then उसके बाद में depending on how lucky you are, you will get assigned to a business unit or a geographical unit. So accordingly, and then you become a subject of those business line managers. तो वो फिर आप वो decide करेगा कि आपको कहाँ डालना है. If you're lucky, you might be placed as a shadow resource on a large project. Okay. तो shadow resource में क्या होता है कि client के हाथ में 10 लोग काम कर रहे हैं, but company ने 15 लोग लगा रखे हैं, right? तो 5 लोग सीख रहे हैं side में, right? So those are the positions you will end up being in as a fresher actually, ठीक है. तो definitely I mean if you become complacent in that, you will like it actually, क्योंकि किसको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा कि सुबह 9 बजे पहुंचो and शाम को 5 बजे निकल आओ, predictable life है ना. Then you get to go to malls, watch TV and all that. It's a lovely thing, right? But अगर उसकी आदत लग गई तो then you will somewhere lose the spark actually. And मैंने बोला ना, जो आपकी जो cognitive learning होती है, that is very important in your initial phase of career. आप ये एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हो कि आफ्टर 10 years यू विल लर्न एक्चुअली, बिकॉज आपकी जो ब्रेन की जो कॉग्निटिव स्किल्स हैं वो डाउनग्रेड हो रही हैं एक्चुअली. योर एबिलिटी टू फोकस, योर एबिलिटी टू एब्जॉर्ब, एबिलिटी टू रिटेन इज ऑल गोइंग डाउन एक्चुअली, है ना. टुडे आई कैन नॉट कम्पीट विद समबडी हु इज कमिंग आउट ऑफ AIT दिस ईयर, बिकॉज दैट गाइज गोइंग टू बी वेरी निम्बल एक्चुअली इन द टेक्नोलॉजीज. एंड प्लस मेरी जो लर्निंग है ओल्ड स्कूल से है, ओल्ड स्कूल टेक्नोलॉजीज, राइट. तो आई हैव एक्चुअली tried to keep up with the technology curve as much as possible, but somebody who has done only asynchronous programming या फिर CRM programming, उसको पीछे का backlog carry नहीं करना है, right? So cognitive learning in the initial years of your life, which is your 5 to 8 years of career, is very important. अगर उस duration में if you can put your salary in priority 2, then you will do extremely well in the subsequent phase of your life.
Yes,
So
sir.
people chasing CTC, I think we also go for campus drives actually, and देखो AIT was a premier college, I would say now today, based on the kind of students that I run into at Bhopal or Indore. Okay, and the mindset is totally different actually. They don't even want to know the JD actually. Job description ही नहीं पता करना उनको actually. All they want is कि CTC कितना है, that's all. उसके बाद मुझे लगता है शायद कुछ भी करा लो, they'll be happy to do that. Yes, I just had I think $5,000 in my hand, and it was barely covering the tuition fees actually, and I still went actually. ठीक है, तो ये risk actually, ठीक है. And उसके बाद में living expenses I had to take care of, तो it would have been a lot actually. But क्या बोलते हैं ना कि कुछ risk तो लेना ही था, तो ले लिया.